Okay, you guys, I opened up the back door a little bit so y'all could see the snow. It's pouring the snow. It's so cold. I'm already over the snow. It's just too cold. I can't handle it this cold. I'm over it. I'm just gonna go hibernate. This is not what I wanted this soon. It's pretty, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I just don't like it. Over a few days worth of snow and I'm done for. I don't do not enjoy this much snow. No. I do not like the cabin fever already setting in. I don't like to be wet and cold and just it gets nasty after a couple days. I'm just over it. I'm over the snow already. It's not supposed to snow this soon. But this is what it looks like. It's still coming down. And no, I'm not getting out of the house to go look at it. Maybe tomorrow. I'm going inside where it's warm. And I guess I'm going to try to watch the movie Frankenstein on Netflix because I've been trying to watch that movie for like 4 days or 4 nights now. And every single time I try to watch it, I fall asleep. So I have to re-watch it. So that's probably what I'm going to do is just go lay in the bed and watch that movie. It's definitely snowing. Oh, it's just too cold. We probably got about, I don't know, it's starting to lay more now, so there's probably 1.5 inches or something out there. I don't really know. It's blurry though. It looks like a snow blizzard. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.